Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Removal. Remove the 4 rubber feet from the channels in the base enclosure. Remove the 12 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Carefully separate the edges of the base enclosure from the top cover. Lift the front edge of the base enclosure and guide the cutouts on the base enclosure out of the external connectors. Replacement. Tow the cutouts on the base enclosure over the external connectors and lower the base enclosure onto the top cover. Apply pressure to the edges of the base enclosure until it snaps into place. Replace the 12 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Place the 4 rubber feet into the channels in the base enclosure.